Pretty grand, isn't it? Actually cute.
Yeah, that'd be a really cool place to live forever.
You're just amazed at it, huh? What? Oh, wait. Wait for us. Oh, wow. Dude, look at that window. Lyric is freaking out. Wait, you're legit in Harry Potter, huh? Is this one of the scenes or what?
No, I don't know. How am I to know?
Or where they
Who
filmed?
am I to know?
You should
the
know.
ultimate Harry Potter fan.
I know. If anyone knows, it's you.
No, I don't think.
Would you recognize anything? So apparently some scenes from Harry Potter were filmed here. And Lyric is freaking out. Wow.
So there's some old geezer under there.
Some guys.
Old Cuthbert's in there.
This feels very Harry Potter. Oh, this feels very Harry Potter.
Over here somewhere.
Do you think it's the upstairs?
I don't know. I think maybe. I know in one of the rooms they have in here was McGonagall's classroom that we filled in.
Ah. It must be up. It must be one of those.
I know some of the hallways.
Or the hallways. What is that over there?
I don't know. Statues. Look at you. Oh my gosh, this is very Harry Potter. Stop.
No, it literally is a camera. Oh, yeah, this looks very familiar, doesn't it? Yeah,
Ron sitting in here jumping on his like.
Yeah.
She's freaking out.
And these are some of the halls where they shot. Like the walking scene.
Yeah, and like.
This is so
And then Hermione's sitting and she's like.
It's very recognizable if you've seen it.
She's literally. Than what they say. Yeah.
Go on.
Need a picture here. Need a picture here.
wow. That's super cool.
My memory says me right.
Do you want me to get a picture of you?
I don't know like where to go. Just like walk.
Give me that backpack.
Just like walk.
Like sit on the thing.
This is so cool. Let me get the phone. Yeah.
I think that's the power that you got. What does that mean? Does that mean? £8 per person.
Per person?
Yeah.
Think about that.
Excuse me.
No, I am.
Look at the state of that.
Wow.
Of course, Liora got pancakes.
Pancakes, bacon, cappuccino.
5 over there.
Indeed, I do.
It's so calm today.
It's very nice here in Durham.
The shakes.
Durham.
Might I compare thee to a summer's day?
Oh, that's a very old-timey.
Liora, listen to my poem.
Okay. Yeah.
Might I compare thee to a summer's day?
Oh, wow.
I'm not done. Hot and irritating.
Oh, wow, lyric. Hot and irritating.
A summer's day, hot and irritating.
We just ate at
May
Bill's.
I compare you to a winter's eve?
What?
Cold and nasty as hell.
Oh, wow, guys, I really feel the love. I'm just gonna walk this way. I'm just gonna walk. Why did I think I said Warlegan?
He's everywhere. A turban. Wow, guys, where are we going?
Little sheeps. Sheepy sheep. We're at Goatland. Stop, did I?
Yeah, you like kicked it.
Oh shit, really?
You always do that.
R&R. R&R?
Those are the culprits of the doo-doo.
Yeah, I caught him,
Oh, look at
guys.
Husky. Going absolutely mental, obviously.
Yeah, I
As
said...
Huskies do.
Oh my gosh, they're in the street. Look, they're running.
Yeah,
The
what
frickin-
else are they going to do?
That's just so funny. Wow. Why are churches so pretty?
So it wasn't...
Wow, Reese.
What?
It's just so pretty.
Yeah, it's really
So stunning here, wow.
Taking you to a gem.
A real gem of a day.
Secret waterfall at the end.
Secret waterfall at the end. What is this called again? Malayan Spout.
I think.
Malayan Spout. And they have a couple waterfalls here. Wow! Gem of a day. Root toot beauty.
lyrics behind me. Oh, the trees are attacking my camera. Beautiful, beautiful
The
weather
waterfall's
today.
going to be busy with pictures, I think.
We are here at the height. This is the beautiful view and the beautiful couple.
Let's keep going, eh?
Yeah,
There's a bit of shade at the top.
Look at that.
Halfway, and then
Oh!
we follow the stream up to the...
Oh, okay. I really thought this was... Look at that.
Look at that stream. Go in there.
Yeah, if you want. But there's... It's freezing, by the way. You want some alone first?
Oh, guys, that looks so good.
Honestly, I think when you go under that, it's freezing. You're not going under? Really?
I can feel it. Okay, guys.
I need to go.
Okay, really,
Ready? Okay, Tarzan and Jane. Why don't you guys go a little bit more in the water? I'm going quick. Okay. Yeah, I think we got it. Take it on your
So refreshing, man.
That was amazing. It's like they were Does it look good, Liz? Yeah, they look really good.
Okay, we just got under the waterfall. There's a lot of people, so it was a little bit awkward, but you got to do what you got to do for the Instagram picture, you know what I mean? It's actually so refreshing though. You didn't go all the way in, dude.
I could feel it though.
Yeah, it was very cold. A nice shower for Rebe. Very nice. You got to experience the waterfall. But now, we didn't bring a towel, and the floor's very dirty.
I might go in even more.
Yeah, let's wait for people to get pictures and stuff. It's everyone else's turn now. Hello.
Hello.
Lyric fell in.
Lyric did fall in.
I fell in.
Her shoes are soaking wet. But look how cool this is. We found this little oasis. This is so cool. I haven't been water.
No, you're right.
I remember this.
You're right. Wow. It's so beautiful. I've got Squidward shoes.
Look what Reese is. What's the tab?
Oh, beautiful. I love it. This is when I need one that, like, you know, like sticks to my head.
We need to get you one of those helmets.
No, literally, because exactly, because I'm the vlog woman. I need one that sticks to my head.
Wow. Look at this.
This is really gorgeous, guys.
Whoa.
A little streamy bit. Squeaky ass Squidward shoes because I fell in. It's alright. Wow.
Oh,
Careful, Liora. You might break it. Wow. A pair of noobs, really.
Can't rock. Can't rock. Can't rock.
The bridge is shaking.
Wow. If we fall to our death,
Okay, can't cry.
I...
Spring.
Oh dear.
Jesus. Stay steady, please.
Should I-
That's really cool, Reese. Okay, you got it, my love. Sit down. Wow, Mr. Bobinski!
Shaking the whole bridge.
Okay, Reese.
Wow.
Well, I'm too much of a baby to do it.
Don't worry, if you fall, at least I'll get it on camera.
Oh my gosh. Very cool. Oh my god.
Wow.
Now I look cool.
Now look cool.
Yeah. That's good. That's so cool. Yes, 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 yes. Look away. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Yep, 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 yep.
It's really good. Okay. Type woman. Wait, you guys should kiss over the bridge like that. Should get a picture. Oh my gosh. No, like actually. That'd be a cute picture actually, but I know Reese doesn't like to kiss for the camera. Unless it's a gate. Unless it's a gate.
The question is though, once I'm on, how do I get off?
What? You're gonna swing it like that?
No, I don't know how to get.
Yeah, that's the issue.
I'm short.
Well, you just take your leg off somehow. I don't know how you're even gonna get on there. You need lift.
How do you guys get on this thing?
You've got to, like, if you grab the other rope, you can like kind of pull yourself up.
Oh, okay. Oh dear, I don't think I have the upper body strength for that.
Just get one leg up. You can get one leg up and then just like hold the other one on the top knot. On the top knot.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, and then like just get one leg up somehow.
Once I'm on, how do I get off?
Well, see what happens. We'll just figure it out.
One leg at a time.
Was this meant for tall people like you?
I think you're maybe supposed to start on that big rock.
Oh, and then just jump off.
Yeah. I think so.
Maybe.
Yeah, okay,
Maybe I
good.
can go the other way. I don't want to go across.
Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna get over there.
How deep is it? We are back home and we are cooking some chicken, potatoes, and broccoli, baked. Lyric's secret little thing.
It's not a secret.
And then some mushrooms. Chicken's going in. That smells so good, the seasoning. I'm such a hoe for seasoning.
Oh, my sweet angel. This is hot for you. There's a lot going on in here. Coda bear.
Did you set a timer for 8 minutes? Yeah.
Oh, Coda. What's going on
I
in
don't want to
here?
get the chicken.
I won't. My sweet baby.
Oh, Coda, I think you have shit on you.
Oh, yeah.
He has a okay,
dingleberry.
well, don't put it near the food. Oh, he's got a dingleberry. It's dry.
Stop.
Ew. I really wish you wouldn't say
Oh,
that to
Asha.
me. Oh my gosh. Okay. What's going on here? What happened? She's like choking. She tried to get in this water and they're like, oh my gosh. And then Coda's, what the hell's going on?
Psychopaths. You know what? You're going with your daddy.
Yeah, bring him to the dad.
You're going with your daddy. While the women cook.
Wow, chaos. Chaos indeed. Wow, the cats are going wild.
How does that potato feel?
How does that potato
Does that feel soft enough?
No. Yeah,
Not
I'm
really.
afraid. But like, stab it with your finger. Wow, I look like an alien. No! In the best way. We are going to Roseberry Topping. Very pretty place. I haven't been in so long. Last time I went, I think was like 2 years ago with Reese and Jonathan, his dad. So I'm excited to go.
They're still wet.
And show Lyric. Are your shoes still wet?
Yeah.
When you fell in? Oh, your hair's so cute.
thanks.
Look at that little shaggy girl. On the way home?
I want 3 chicken mayos in my mouth.
Oh, wow. Chubby bunny.
I want a chicken nugget in a barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
And I want a double cheeseburger.
Oh my gosh, the shakes were
with
so...
a chocolate shake.
The shakes were so good.
Yeah.
The
I said it.
shakes.
I have went and said it.
Let's stop on our way home.
Yeah, let's stop on the way home. We made it to the top. How you feeling?
Good. Winded.
Yeah, oh my legs. Reese, how you feel?
I feel fine.
Yeah?
You okay?
Yeah. We came from all the way over there.